I survived the first week of my belly fat burning journey, and let me tell you, it wasn't easy. I spent hours learning the right technique for sit-ups, making sure my form was on point to avoid injury. But with determination, I built a daily routine that transformed not just my body but my entire mindset. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original Salsit. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews. Plus, enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Each morning started with a simple yet powerful set of sit-ups. I got down on my mat, focusing on engaging my core with every rep. I began with 10 sit-ups, and gradually increased as my strength improved. The challenge? Staying consistent. But with time, I saved so much energy from just 10 minutes a day of focused effort. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45 easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. After 2 weeks, I noticed the changes. Not only did I start to see the outline of my ABS, but I felt more confident, healthier, and mentally sharp. I tracked my progress, recording each milestone to keep myself motivated. And the results? I got a flatter stomach, stronger core, and boosted self-esteem. Looking to boost your fitness? The Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smartband. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Staying on track required commitment, but breaking it down into daily habits made it achievable. The most important tip I can give: start slow, build up, and celebrate your wins along the way. You've got this. Your belly fat burning journey begins with just one sit-up.